Want to breathe life into your characters with minimal effort? This video will show you how to create and use puppet rigs in Adobe Animate, unlocking faster and more consistent character animation. First, we need a character. Start by drawing your character in Adobe Animate, making sure to separate each body part onto its own distinct layer. Think head, torso, arms, legs, hands, and feet. Naming each layer appropriately is crucial to keep things organized. Next, select the bone tool from the toolbar. This is the magic wand that will give your character a skeleton. Click and drag to create bones, starting from the torso and connecting to each body part. Start with the torso, then link the head, then the arms, and finally the legs. This will create a hierarchical structure, where moving the torso affects everything connected to it. Notice that Animate automatically creates an armature layer for your bone structure. This layer contains all the bone information. Now comes the fun part. You can now manipulate the bones to pose your character. Moving the bones will move the connected body parts, allowing you to create dynamic poses and animations. Explore the Properties panel to adjust the inverse kinematics, or IK, settings for each bone. Experiment with different IK types to achieve the desired movement for your character. This will allow you to set up more realistic and fluid movement. With practice, you can create complex animations like walk cycles and expressive gestures using this powerful puppet rig system. Puppet rigging is a game changer for character animation.